what happens is when I for example pick up seafood from Uttam, I am catering to Bengalis, I'm catering to Sikhs, I'm catering to Punjabis, I'm catering to Malayalis. Each one have their own preferences, right? So we need to ensure that we have the right quality, quantity, the kind of cuts. It gets very complex when it comes downstream for us. So that's why initially we kept the entire system in house. We tried outsourcing the delivery, but then we realized that getting it in house had its own benefits. When you are a startup, customers love us, they love our delivery boys. They say your delivery boys are so well spoken, they are on time, and so this is what you need to build a customer experience. Now we have come to disrupt the market, like I said, and in an amorphous environment, we are giving a choice to the customer. Mimo today says you can order for turmeric washed meat, right? Today, for Indian culture, is about getting your meat home and then you wash it with turmeric and only then start cooking. We said we will do that process for you. Take the advantages of all the antibacterial aspects of turmeric and other things. We will do that for you and we will send it home, right? So we are going that to the next step and understanding the customer and seeing what he requires and catering to his needs, right? There was a whole market that has for some reason not been addressed for a long time, though there is an existing market that can be carved out and pretty huge with alternate processing of meat, which we are trying to address.
तो कितने customers आपके on board हो गए हैं सुदर्शन, and how much is this likely to grow?
Right now, we started our sales in March of this year, and we have already onboarded close to 4,000 customers, out of whom 70% are in with us for the kind of processing that we do and the kind of quality that we provide today, right? And this is only going to grow exponentially as we touch other cities. Now we are planning to move to Chandigarh, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Mangalore to begin with. Right now, in the tier 1 cities, we will be present directly, and this will grow exponentially. But in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities, we don't want to disrupt the existing system. We want to be part of the ecosystem. So we want to go there, work with the local butchers there, modernize them, and ensure they follow the FSSAI norms, and we work with them in an aggregator system and not try to disrupt it by going there and trying to build our own network. Like Uttam was saying, it's a large unorganized market.
Correct. मेरा इसी से जुड़ा हुआ अगला सवाल, और मैं कृष्णन से पूछना चाह रही थी कि ये टियर आपने मेट्रो का मार्केट भले ही क्रैक कर लिया हो, लेकिन ये टियर 2 टियर 3 मार्केट्स को क्रैक करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होगा, क्योंकि एवरीवन हैज देयर ओन प्रेफरेंसेस. आप एक पर्टिकुलर दुकान पे जाते हैं, वहीं से आपको पता है, आपको भरोसा है, आप वहीं से मछली खरीदेंगे या फिर मटन खरीदेंगे. इस स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन में क्या आपको लग रहा है कुछ और फाइन ट्यूनिंग की ज़रूरत होगी इन कंपनियों की ओर से, कृष्णन? एंड इवेंचुअली फिर बात इसी पर आती है ना, फिर रिटर्न्स किस तरह के बनते दिखाई देंगे इस मार्केट में, किस किस के साथ चलना होगा इन्हें?
देखिए, वहीं पे हमको अपॉर्चुनिटी दिख रहा है, क्योंकि अगर आप देखेंगे इन सो मेनी अदर फील्ड्स, राइट, जिस तरह से कस्टमर चेंज हो रहा है, वेदर इट इज ऑन फूड डिलीवरी, वेदर इट इज ऑन एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ डिजिटल फॉर्म्स ऑफ पेमेंट और एंगेजमेंट, वो सब ज़्यादा ट्रैक्शन टियर 2 टियर 3 स्मॉलर प्लेसेस में ही दिख रहा है, राइट. एंड हम ये भी देख रहे हैं कि बिकॉज एज एन एग्री टेक इन्वेस्टर, वेदर वी लुक एट कंपनीज लाइक आवर्स ऑफ क्रॉपिन टेक्नोलॉजीज, बिगहार्ट, दीज आर ऑल been working, trying to work digitally with farmers for the last few years. And अगर आपके पास सही प्रोडक्ट है तो उस सेगमेंट अडॉप्ट कर लेगी, राइट. सो आई थिंक द इम्पोर्टेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी हियर इज टू फिगर आउट कि किस सेगमेंट के लिए आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. इट इज नॉट, जैसे ही सुदर्शन कह रहे थे, इट इज नॉट दैट यू हैव अ कुकी कटर और अ स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड प्रॉब्लम फॉर अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर एवरी कस्टमर. And but that is the opportunity, क्योंकि जिस तरह से consumer behavior change हो रहा है, that is actually happening in the smaller markets. And आप अगर वो सही product, सही customer experience लेके आ सकते हैं, तो you will grab the market. So we are seeing that already in the kind of traction
जी
for these companies. And I would